Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kia Tatiana here, and today I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to get frizz-free curls, so keep on watching. So this is freshly washed hair. I have no product in, and right now I'm just measuring the length of my hair because I did try the rice water method, as you can see in the title. So I tried the rice water, I boiled it. I'll do a separate video on that. So the back of my hair is currently 11 inches, and this is the very back of my hair. 11 and a half inches, almost 12. So yeah, I'm so excited. So I got my rice waters in the spray bottles, not that much, but it goes a long way. So I just spray it all over my roots and I massage it to my roots, to my scalp, and then I drag it out to the ends of my hair, because the ends of your hair is like the dead of the dead because it's been there so long. So I just twist it up, just it smells bad, beware. I just twist it up to get it out my way, and then I just continue to do this rice water all over my hair. I'm using it as a leave-in conditioner, so I don't have any leave-in. That was my leave-in, and for the most part it made my hair feel very soft, as you will see at the end of the video. Texture without any product, without any type of anything in there. So yeah, my curls are more defined, I guess, in the front. I did have tons of bleach damage in the past, but they're rejuvenating, so that's all that matters. And also I'll give in the second video more details on what the rice water benefits are, so stay tuned for that. So after it's all twisted up, I just go to the African Pride curling cream, shea butter and flaxseed oil, which is $6.99 on my website, so make sure you go down below and purchase. So I just clip up my hair, I massage in the rice water, and I just take a little to a dime size amount to a small section, apply it from my roots to my ends, and then I start the finger coil method. Now the finger coil method is as easy as it sounds. You're just wrapping it around your finger, around and around and around, and then just gonna slide it all down. And what this does is the product is able to seal the hair, so it's going to dry curled. As you guys can just keep watching and see that. Now this is a very long method, but it leaves your curls the most defined, frizz-free, without any heat. Look at that curl, guys. Look at that curl. So you just keep on doing it. I would say to use this method when you have the time to, but if you want effective, beautiful, bouncy curls, coils, waves, I would say to just try this method, you know. Now the front of my hair, the edges, the perimeter is a little bit straighter than the middle of my hair, and the back and stuff, I have no idea. It's like someone permed it, so the curls are a little loose, but this is also a great way to curl train your hair if you do have heat damage. So at the end of the video, you can see that the parts of my hair that's very straight, which is right there by my edges, it's very straight curls. It's training my curls to go back to its natural formation. So this is a great way to curl train your hair if you are looking to, instead of that big chop. I know sometimes that's very useful, but you can also curl train your hair. So then I'm using my detangler brush and combing the product through the middle of my hair because that's the part that gets tangled the most. And once I tangle that, I just continue this method. By the way, this took about an hour and a half to get around my whole head. So I'm all finished now. I'm just going over all the ones that look a little bit loose. And this is my jerry curls. So you can sit underneath the dryer or just let it air dry. By the time I got to the end of my whole entire head, my hair was already dry except the parts that were not. I just did. So I just left it and yeah, go to sleep, put a bonnet on, and yeah. So 2 days later, I look like a straw head. I use my wild growth oil that is sold on my website for $5.25, so click the link in the bio to shop. Support Black-owned businesses. So what I'm doing here is just taking a dime size of the oil and pressing it down on the finger coil and then separating it. Why I'm doing this is to prevent frizz from using a dry hand on already finger coiled hair. So I do suggest that you use the oil to finger detangle or just to separate the finger coil. It gives it shine, it gives it moisture, and you know, it's just benefits for your hair to keep it healthy. So I'm going to continue and do this all around my hair. I'm going to take out all of this, which looks like a lot, but if you want the bigger curls or like the smaller curls, I would say continue to fluff to your liking. I love big hair, guys, so I'm going to be here forever trying to make it big as possible. But also keep in mind that this is going to be first day curls because this is the first day that I took it out. So over the span of the week, I'll keep you guys updated. My hair will get bigger and bigger because of the curl stretching, the air outside, and all that stuff. So guys, I am about finished loosening all the finger coils. So right now I'm just fluffing and taking out all the extra ones that I didn't catch before, separating the bigger, tighter curls that could make it more fluffier. I'm going to put my fingers with oil into my scalp and just shake it up. That is going to stretch my roots so that my hair will be a bigger afro and not so clumped into my head. So I'm going to continue doing this because I love big hair. And you can stop here if this is where you like your hair, but the bigger you want it, the more fluffing you do, and the smaller you want it, the less fluffing you do, the less detangling you do. So guys, this is the end of the video. I'm shaking it all up, fluffing it, because that's the key. You can see how defined these curls are. It looks nothing like my regular wash and go without any products or with products. This is how the curls are looking. So if you love this video, give this video a thumbs up and comment below the videos that you'd like to see next. I thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Make sure you share, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to shop at my online beauty supply store, link in the bio. See you guys in my next video. Bye.